Hello everyone, I wanted to take a few moments to go over a prototype application that I have written for Windows Mobile Phone. It is a Destiny companion app. I'm catering it more towards what I feel the user base needs, at least what I need. Um, and I started off with item management. I am already logged in, but the login process takes you into a web browser control, which just uses the normal browser-based login. I don't actually, or the application doesn't actually view any of the login information. We just analyze the cookie data that returns from the Bungie website so we can access the Bungie API. We never see the Xbox Live login information. So here you can see we're loading the character items. You can view the items that are on the selected character. You can change your character. In this case, I'm going to stick with this Guardian. Once the items are loaded, you can store an item in the bank or on another character. If there's no more room in the bank, it will shuffle things around and it'll just make room. So assuming that you have enough space on alternate characters and your vault, this actually will expand your vault space for 18 slots per item location. So you can also store multiple items at a time if you want by just selecting them and then clicking the send button.
Warlock Tower.
And then once everything's loaded, I will show you you can also retrieve multiple items or one item at a time if you want to retrieve one item.
Oh dear, he hits.
Or if you want to retrieve multiple items, you just need to select them and then tap the retrieve button and it will retrieve all the items. Now, above and beyond that, I've implemented gear sets, which is similar to a loadout system, except that it allows for multiple items per slot. So if you're going to do bounties, for example, I have this bounty gear set, which this is all the items in the gear set. If I'm going to do some bounties and I want all the weapons that I normally do for bounties, I just tap the bounty gear set and I can tap retrieve gear. The other advantage is I can also check store other items. What this will do is this will get rid of all the other items in the inventory. If you can see, I have a bunch of junk in my inventory at the moment, and so when I click the store other items, it will get rid of them. It'll store them in the bank or on another character. And it takes a few moments, but it swaps over the items that you need, and it doesn't matter if these items were on another character or in your bank or equipped on your other character. It will handle all of that. It will unequip the item if needed and pull it into the bank and then transfer it to this character, and it will continue to hold out everything that you need. Right now it is still storing the different items for this gear set. It could take a little bit to do this because it may have to do several calls for the Bungie API, and it limits it to 1 second per call, but given enough time, it will pull everything over that you need. And I plan on adding PlayStation support. That's what this Kickstarter is for. I also would like to add Android and iOS support and further expand the feature set of the application beyond just item management. And that is what my goal is with this Kickstarter, and I hope you consider funding this project. And thank you.